Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your unsent messages on Messenger. So first you need to open your Messenger app, and on the top left you will need to click on your profile and then scroll down and click on account settings. So here when you scroll down you need to click on download profile information. After that you need to deselect all and then only select the messages button. So after that scroll all the way to the bottom and then make sure the range is all of my date and the format is HTML and the quality is high. After that click on create file. So you have sent the request for messages, so there are chances that you can see the unsent messages in this file as well. Make sure to view this file as soon as possible because this file will get expired after some time. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.